Black Ops 6 Zombies, when can you play Citadelle de Morts, the new map on Call of Duty, Black Ops 6 Zombies? Short answer, Citadelle de Morts, will be live on December 5, 2024, alongside the arrival of Season 1 Reloaded. FYI, Citadelle is a popular zombie map in Call of Duty, Black Ops Cold War, known for its medieval setting and challenging gameplay. Here's a breakdown of the Citadelle gameplay *** medieval atmosphere *** The map takes place in an abandoned medieval castle, featuring dungeons, courtyards, and secret passages. The atmosphere is dark and mysterious. **Weapons and equipment ** You'll find a variety of classic zombie weapons, as well as special weapons and equipment unique to this map. **Enemies ** Zombies come in various forms and can become increasingly powerful as you progress through the rounds. *Objectives Objectives include activating mechanisms, finding key items, and surviving waves of zombies. *Points You earn points to purchase weapons, ammo, and upgrades. What makes Citadelle special medieval aesthetic the unique setting creates an immersive experience. Diverse challenges the map offers numerous challenges and secrets to discover. Special weapons Citadelle's special weapons are often powerful and fun to use. For a more immersive experience, I recommend watching gameplay videos on YouTube. You can learn different strategies and discover the map secrets. Keywords for your search ** Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War Zombies. * Citadelle gameplay. * Zombies Easter egg. * Call of Duty Zombies.